And guess what? We're going to Iceland tomorrow! Hi Jen, how you doing today?
Hi.
You good today?
Yeah, great.
Nice sunny day. It was snowing 2 seconds ago.
It was.
Kind of funny. Let's go get some coffee.
We want to get coffee and research the rest of our trip.
All right. Stupid. Yep, that happened. Some people don't think cemeteries are beautiful, but this is a very beautiful cemetery. It's peaceful. So, you have your choice of American bar or English pub. American bar, English pub. Enjoy. He is trying to put his jacket on backwards. That is unbelievable.
He's trying to put his jacket on the right way.
It's 20 degrees outside, by the way. So this is day 3 in Reykjavik, and we are renting our camper tomorrow for 10 days. All right, we are up. We are on our way to Camping Cuckoo Campers, Iceland. Just woke up, fucking exhausted. This town. She's sleeping.
We just started our journey in our cuckoo camper, and we just wanted to check in and say yo. And I wanted to just make sure that I say that if I could do this every day, I
Keep
would.
right to unpaved road.
That tip for next time we film, turn her the fuck off. I mean, Reykjavik was amazing as well, but to be able to get on the road, actually see the land,
Whole different kind of amazing.
yeah, it is.
Hi.
We're not moving very quickly because we just got the car.
First day, really confusing.
But we have a tip for you. Not joking when they say hold the door. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
Oh,
Hold on.
I'm holding.
If you open the door and there's a gust of wind, it will take the entire door off
And maybe
the
you
car.
with it.
So we have to remind ourselves, because we're Game of Thrones fans, every time we get in or out of the car, what do we say, Joe?
Hold the door!
Hold the door! It's
On
helping.
that note.
Whatever works.
I need one of these. So we just went and saw the geyser. Yeah, we're on our way to Golfas, the waterfall.
Part of the problem is that we have a lot to fit in on this part. Golden Circle has a lot. You have to decide what you can do without and what you absolutely want. So far, we've stopped where?
King Bigelar National Park. Saw the tectonic plates. Small waterfall called Axarfoss.
Axarfoss.
And then the Great Geyser, which was great.
It was so great.
Yep, great. And now we're on our way to Golfas. After that, we're on our way to Foxy Waterfall. Not Foxy, but
Foxy.
Foxy. Fixie. And after that is Kerio Crater.
Kerio Crater.
Icelandic. Woof.
You have to keep in mind that every time you stop off the side of the road, you have to look for the signs that show camping sites.
It's a tree sign with a picnic table in green. Tree sign, picnic table in green.
You really should ask for permission because it's
Right.
on people's lands and because they're becoming more popular as a tourist destination. You know,
be respectful of your.
Get old for some.
Be respectful.
So you ask or you look for those signs. Some of the time the campgrounds are closed, in which freebie.
Yeah.
Otherwise you have to pay.
Yeah. Campgrounds, a lot of them are closed during this time of the year. April is when and most of them are closed, and you can use them, but most of the facilities will actually be not working.
Or locked.
Correct. That's what happens when you keep it in gear. Oops.
We're gonna edit that out. There's this thing on hiking Hekla in here. Hekla is the one that it's the volcano that they're 104 that they're worried is gonna erupt.
That's heckla crazy, eh? I heckla want to go shoot this waterfall.
I feel like you're heckling me.
I'm having a heck of a good time.
Heck. I couldn't think of it anymore. And scene.